This video is about the impact of static electricity on a vinyl record. Static electricity on a vinyl record will discharge up the cartridge, causing snap, crackle and pop. It will also attract dust from the air around the record and bind it to the surface, there to interfere with the quality of our playback and to wear the stylus. This video will demonstrate the impact of static and show you how to stop it occurring. There are lots of ways a record may become charged, but in our example, our brand new Joni Mitchell album arrived already charged. See that as soon as the disc is removed from the sleeve, it will attract every airborne particle. Statically charged particles cannot be removed from a record until the static charge is eliminated. Record Restore dissolves dirt and dust bound to the surface by fats, oils, greases and airborne binders like nicotine. Once dry, Record Restore is peeled off, removing all the dissolved contaminants and creating a permanent protection against static. With our record now restored, let's check for a static charge. And it's gone.